Hello, this is Greg. Today I am working with this little guy right here. Um, I purchased it through Temu, and it has a problem. I'll show you what I found. Right now it's set up at 31 volts, but you can see on the multimeter it's only putting out 24.78 volts DC. The amps are set at 1 amp. So that's the first. That's the first problem, and that I found. So it's just not outputting the 31 volts. It says it's supposed to, and it is on. So let's go ahead and turn this to off, and unplug these. Get rid of the multimeter. And then I have this little guy to test my output and plug it into the 5 volts. Oh dear. And you can see it works good there. Can I spin it up? That'll do right there. So that is the USB-A, but when I plug in the USB-C, you get nothing. Just doesn't come on. Spin it around, and nothing. Doesn't come on. So now I do have another tester here. I didn't try this before, but I am going to now, because just to see, yeah, nothing. That USB-C is just simply not outputting power. So it's not putting out the voltage. This USB-C is not outputting. So is the rest of it correct? I don't trust it now. I don't trust that it's going to give me the 10 amps. So yeah, I need to return this. So I'm going to go through how you return something on Temu really quick. Let's go to the desktop. Go to, if you already have an account, you just go to Orders. Go to Return and Refund. I've received it. Select all. Let's take a look at the user's manual, just in case there's something more on here that is not in the book that they sent. Just to be thorough. I don't want to, maybe it's something I can keep. I really want this thing. First 8 pages are in English, and no, this is the book. So, see, type C, fast charging interface. So it should have an output, just like the USB-A fast charging interface. It should have, and it does have an output. So let's just, I'll go through this. Just maybe there's something in here you'll see. Pause when you need to. But I've read all of this, and it doesn't really discuss. That's an interesting page right there. That's what comes in the machine, and then it goes to French. So yeah, I'm a little bummed. I got to tell you, I am just a little bit disappointed. Right here, it talks about the stability ripple coefficient of the power supply is very good. Auxiliary with USB-A and C fast charging function. So yeah, that's supposed to have an output. So we go back to our request and check the manual for solutions. Oh, it's going to force me to contact the seller. All right, well, I have to stop now. I've never had to do this before. I've never had to contact a seller. So I'll have to stop now and I'll post the video, but that's the reasons why I am returning it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you not buy one, I hope it helps you make a decision one way or another. Have a great day.